goodness. Can't see this building properly, man. That's all right. I'm just swimming the swimming pool. Oh, yeah? Wow, this building, massive building. Yes, guys, this is amazing block of flats. And guess what? All these buildings have one thing. They have the American embassy next door. Yeah, you see this block is amazing. Look, there's a swimming pool that links both buildings. See that? Can you see that? Can you see somebody swimming in there? Look there. They put swimming pool linking two blocks of flats. Wow, that is pretty impressive. Look at that. This is just breathtaking. I love that. That's nice. I like to see something innovative like that. You don't see that every day. A swimming pool made of glass, see-through, linking two buildings, and people are actually swimming in it. That would be fantastic in the summer. I don't know what they try to do. It's not warm unless the water is big. It's warm, maybe. You must be with heated water. Yeah. But then again, how about the maintenance? They must clean it regularly also. For crying out loud. Oh, man. Mankind and their genius. That's the ingenuity of mankind. That is fantastic. Ingenuity of mankind knows no bounds. Yeah, I just want to show you this quickly. That's a swimming pool in between the two block of flats, and they have the American embassy next door. Super. Okay, this is it. I'm done. Okay, just to let me show you. This is the new American embassy in London. You can see the security cordon around it, cameras everywhere. Yeah, in fact, it's surrounded by water from the other side. And this thing, how you gonna get through it? You can't. And then they built high-rise buildings around it. So if you think you can fly a plane to eat it, the chances are you're gonna crash into one of these buildings before you get to the embassy. Yeah, that's the American embassy there, the new one. And then this is one of my iconic building right now in London. Swimming pool linking 2-story buildings. Wow, how many stories high? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stories high. And they have a swimming pool on the top floor of it. Fantastic. Okay guys, this is my rant right now. So we're gonna go for a drink, and then that'll be it. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. St. George Wharf is Vauxhall Underground Station. This is like a roundabout. Yeah, check out the architecture of this place. See that? See that metal thing goes all the way around. And I remember that bit there used to be a bus garage. And then they did something to it, cut it down. It's still a bus garage, but it's like not a garage, it's just like pickup point for buses, more or less. So buses don't actually stay there. See, that metal thing is continuous, and then it goes up there. Oh god, that's nice. It just gives you a little bit of character. And it goes all the way down there. Where does it end? All the way there. So let's moving on. I need to cross the road somewhere. On the way. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lanes. Okay. Let me take a deep breath. I'm going to run across when the traffic starts moving. There we go. Quick. Go. Ooh. The Mustang, what's this guy doing? Whoa. Broom. Quick. Oh, look at these cute dogs. Nice little dogs. Leave me alone. I think they want to go with me, yes? Alright? You coming? Come on with me then. Can I take them? I'll bring it back tomorrow. I'm joking. Especially this one, yeah?
Parking vehicles locals are not allowed in the station.
Yeah, urinal, that's where you go and piss. That's good, they put that there. So you can't go and piss anywhere. That's your pissing joint. Yeah. That's why they didn't give you toilets. Right, I'm gonna walk this way. I think there's a KFC down there somewhere. I think, because I'm really hungry now. So, yes, I'm coming to the end of my Vauxhall street tour. So I'm going to move on from after having something to eat. I will show off to what you call it, Battersea Power Station later.